Hello, everyone, it's Dylan. How's it going? Welcome back to English Up Podcast. Today, we're going to talk about whether you want to be lazy for a day and why it's actually okay to be lazy sometimes. Hey Dior, how are you doing?
Hey Dylan, actually, I'm not feeling so well. I think I need a break to recover after working on so many projects. I feel like I'm burning out.
Oh Dior, I'm really worried about you. It's great to be hardworking, but you also need to take care of your health.
I know, Dylan, but honestly, sometimes I get so caught up in my work that I can't stop until the projects are finished.
Dior, do you want to be lazy for a day?
That's exactly what I need right now.
Being lazy isn't a good habit, but sometimes taking a lazy day can help your body recover, relax your mind, and when you start working again the next day, you'll be full of energy and more productive.
Oh Dylan, maybe I've been too hard on myself. I even work on my days off.
Oh, I can tell, just by looking at those dark circles under your eyes. I used to work all the time too, even eating fast food to save time. At that time, I just wanted to make as much money as possible. And as quickly as possible, and I didn't care about my health at all.
So what happened next, Dylan? I'm sure you made a lot of money, right?
Exactly, Dior, I did make a lot of money, but I used most of it to treat my stomach ulcers.
Oh my God, really?
I don't want to scare you, but it's true. After a long time of skipping breakfast and eating irregularly, I got a stomach ulcer.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Dylan. You sacrificed your health to make money, but then you used that money to buy back your health.
That's exactly it, Dior. After that experience, I learned a big lesson. We really need a lazy day to let our bodies recover.
And even if we're busy with work, we still need to take care of our health.
Even the strongest machine needs to rest, let alone us humans.
I completely agree with you.
Besides the physical benefits of being lazy occasionally, it also has mental benefits. Resting helps reduce stress, anxiety, and increases optimism and happiness.
Oh, I see.
It also helps you improve your concentration, so you can work and study better.
Oh, that's why when I'm tired, I can't focus and do my job well.
Exactly, Dior, I'm sure you've experienced that a lot.
Yes, Dylan.
Besides, when you allow your body to be lazy, your brain also gets to rest and relax, so your creativity will be better.
Oh, that's really necessary for people who do creative content work.
Exactly, Dior. Also, when you feel comfortable and relaxed, you'll have more time for family and friends.
Wow, Dylan, thank you so much for sharing your knowledge with me today, especially about your stomach ulcer story. From now on, I'll pay attention and balance work and rest.
Being lazy all the time is a concern, but occasionally allowing yourself to be lazy to let your body recover is okay.
I'm going to take a day off right after work today, Dylan. I don't want to use my money to buy back my health like you did.
Haha, of course, my dear. Have a great day off.
Thank you so much, Dylan. And by the way, our lovely audience, if you find Dylan's sharing meaningful, please give Dylan a like, subscribe, and share. Your subscription means a lot to Dylan.
Thank you so much, my dear. You've spoken from my heart. And before we end this short podcast episode, I just want to tell you that work is very important to everyone because with work, we have money to buy food and everything else. But if you don't have health, then a lot of money is meaningless, so let your body be lazy occasionally. I hope that besides helping you learn English, English Up can bring you many useful lessons. Let me know what you think about this video by commenting below. I'll be sure to read all of them and reply. Thank you so much, dear audience. See you in the next video.